have a lot of lint everywhere. So spraying everything off the table, especially that batting lint. I ended up having really bad batting that linted a lot. It's not my favorite, but example, do you see that? Full of batting. All on my cameras and everything. So spray.
Okay. Let's do a video.
I've been wanting to do this video for quite a while. This is a favorites video. Favorites. I've had a couple of favorites that I wanted to share, but I haven't had time to sit up here and do a video for you. But today, we're doing it. Yeah, it's not a work day. It's not a scrambled egg day. It's a favorites day. Favorites. But another favorite. All right, let's do this. Favorite number 1. Yeah, let me fix that. There's a mess back there. Favorite number 1 is these, I don't know what they're called, but they're like big. It's not a boho bag, but it's not a boho bag. The company is called Quick Pick. I will link on Amazon what these are. The reason I love these is because you could shove quilts in here. They're huge. They're very big. Look, they're big. When I go downstairs, I tend to have a whole bunch of stuff to bring up here. For example, clients' quilts that are shipped to me, and having it all in one hand, it's a pain in the butt. Okay, so I decided to buy this one. I ended up buying that one first, and then I thought, okay, you should have gotten black, Lorena. I love this design. It's linty. But what I love about it, for example, right now I finished a client's quilt, and I put my client's quilts up here, and I will take this downstairs. Make sure I carry everything in there. Carry it down. Since I don't have anything that's breakable. I'm over here. I also do embroidery and vinyl and a whole bunch of other stuff, and I'm getting my laser going. And so I've been getting like tumblers and cups. Having everything in this container where I could just kind of like carry it in one shot really has been helpful for me. If you have upstairs laundry, if you have an upstairs house, have one to bring your stuff down and have one to bring your stuff out. This has been a blessing to me. It reminds me like in Mexico where they would have big bread baskets. But yeah, so, ow! Oh, oh. I hurt my knee. Ouch, damn, that hurt. Oh, I hit my knee right in that corner, you know what I mean? So I really like these bags. If you have an upstairs in your house, I love them. All right, item number 2. I love this bag. I don't have to pack a bag for my sewing notions or anything anymore, because what I did is I have everything quilt related, sewing related. Wait, hold on. I thought it was opening. Hi, open. I have my rotaries, marking tools, my scissors that are up here. So here has a compartment where you have your thread, your 1/4 inch seam. You also have like marking tape, you know, Elmer's glue. You can't leave home without it. My pins, you know, it has all your notions, and you can make this, the compartments the size that you want. And also here I have my, you know, my different kind of rulers. For example, my 5-inch ruler or 4-inch rulers, and different size rulers for when I'm kind of like piecing in a group setting. I have my rulers. I just love this bag. I do go sewing at outside with my baby featherweights. I love them, and I just have this ready to go all the time in my car, so that if I want to go sew spontaneously or go meet a friend and sew at her house or something, I'm ready just to go out there. And this little bag, I got it at Amazon. I love this one because of the compartments. Like these compartments, not all bags have these compartments, and also this is not such a big bag that it's cumbersome, that it's huge. It doesn't get in the way. It's not too bulky, and it's not stiff. So once everything's out of this, it's literally just completely flat. But I love this. I love this. Product number 2. I think they're $35 at Amazon, and I even think they went on sale for $29. So I will link everything on the bottom. Another item, which is kind of like a random item, it's this oil dropper. It's a little, I got these at Amazon. They're little oil droppers. It has the, I think I got a set of 12 for less than $1 each. I love these because they're really great for when you're having a sewing event. Like as example, you saw that I had it in here. It doesn't leak. It hasn't leaked on me yet. And I gave these as gifts. It's a cheap little thing to give away as gifts when you're doing a retreat or you're going to hang out with some friends and sew. It's like a couple dollars. I love these. But I also use these for my embroidery machines, my sewing machines here at my house, because I got a set of, I think, 10, if I remember correctly. I just think these are great. So yeah, okay. Oil droppers. You can also use these to put Elmer's glue. So if you want to use glue for basting, I use Elmer's wash away glue. If I want to do basting of some kind, you don't have to use oil. You put regular Elmer's glue and do your basting for your hand applique, or do your basting for your binding. So yeah, it's I love these. All right, item number, I think I'm on 4. I've talked about these before. I finally found another set of bobbins. These are the bobbins that I love for long arm quilting. I will put a link below. It came in this little container. It was completely full of 100 bobbins. I think it cost me like, I'll put it right here because I'm not sure. But I will link it below on the Amazon link of where I got these. They have, they have this little groove. I like this cut right here so I could put the thread through when I'm winding it. I have tested these specifically for my long arm, and they work great. I love the way they quilt. I know you could buy your bobbins at Gamble, Linda's Luxja Quilting, and IntelliQuilters, but these are just as good, and you get 100 for, I think, a really inexpensive price. So individually, they're not that expensive, and I like them a lot. I've talked about these before, but I wanted to update you that I still like them. All right, those are my favorites that I wanted to share today. I really do appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next one. Yeah, bye.